To create a graph that is using these 4 data points, what you can do is just click on the first one, hit your control on a PC or command on a Mac, and click the 4 different averages that you want to have. If you wanted to include the full pre-average, that's fine. After you have those selected, all you have to do is come up here to the chart and insert chart, or you can click on insert and then chart. Once you do that, it's going to give you a blank chart, and you can choose over here which type of chart you want. And then you can also label each side using the customize function to label the axes, and the legend down here.